Hi, I'm Mackenzie, and this is my friend Ashley, and we have some pets for you. Not for you, just I have them. So this is Buttercup, the amazing hamster. Okay, you can hold her. And I have another pet. It's a cat. Let me get him real quick. Sorry. Oh, he hissed. His name is Shadow. He's lazy. And I have another pet. His name is, well, it's a fish, and her name is Aqua. She's blue and purple. She's very adorable. Now, for the speaking. Okay, Shadow will go up first. I'm lazy and adorable. That's all I have to say. Oh, by the way, I'm 4. In August 3rd. And I'm a boy, so get off my property. Kitty cat. Okay, now here is Buttercup. Buttercup, would you like to say something? Yeah. Well, I am adorable. I have a puffy tail. And I like to bite things that poke out. Like this. Your finger. Yeah, she will actually bite. Now, Sarah Lee, I'll hold her. Keep on saying Sarah Lee. Because my friend's name is Sarah Lee. This is Ashley. She's going to put her finger out and it'll bite her. No. Yeah. You know how it feels like. Just do it. I'll break it. Just do it. Okay. Ow! Okay. That really hurt a little bit. Watch this. Oh, no, Buttercup. I need to push this. Watch this. Oh, so good. No. Go up. Now watch this. She'll climb. Okay. Well, Buttercup loves you. Mostly me, but... Oh, and she's only 4 months old. She's a female. She'll go up my sleeve if she wants to. She'll go up here. She will. Well, bye! Hope you enjoyed.